Hello guys, Football Cards and Stickers Collector here, and today we're going to be doing a 25-pack opening of the Panini FIFA Club World Cup 2025 sticker collection. So let's go ahead and get this pack opening started. Alright, our first pack, we'll start off with Thiago Santos with Fluminense. We'll have the Chosen One of Erling Haaland with Manchester City. We have Emre Can with Borussia Dortmund. Seki Amdoni with Benfica. And Julian Rierson with Borussia Dortmund. Next pack. We'll have Fabio with Fluminense. Marco Cucurella with Chelsea. The emblem of Kevin De Bruyne with Manchester City. Leandro Barreto with Benfica, and Ander Herrera with Boca Juniors. Next pack. We'll have Ismail Mutaraji with Real Casablanca. We'll have Cuiabano, Botafogo. Marcos Rojo with Boca Juniors. The crowd hero of Lucas Ribeiro. And we'll have Miguel Merentiel with Boca Juniors. And we'll have our next pack. We'll have Samuel Gustafsson, Eduardo Camavinga with Real Madrid, Agustin Marchesín with Boca Juniors, Jordan Bale with Auckland, and Jefferson Savarino with Botafogo. Have a next pack with Oscar Glusch, the Chosen One for Salzburg. Paulo Diaz with River Plate. Pepe with Porto. Nathan Lobo with Auckland. Fabian Ruiz with Paris Saint-Germain. Right, next pack. We have the Boca Juniors badge. We have the emblem of Maurits Kjaer, Salzburg. Watch that last name. We have Gonçalo Borges with Porto. Bertarame with Monterrey. And then emblem sticker of Edinson Cavani with Boca Juniors. Start off with the Chelsea badge. We have Endrick with Real Madrid. Crowd hero of Carlos Moreno, Pachuca. Kakana. And finish this pack with João Mario with Porto. Alright, next pack. We'll have Malibongwe Koza. Jing Hyun Lee with Ulsan. Lucas Beraldo with Paris Saint-Germain. We have the Chosen One of Salomon Rondon with Pachuca. And we finish this pack with Diogo Costa with Porto. We have the emblem of Sergio Ramos with Monterrey. Manuel Locatelli with Juventus. Henry Blanc, Salzburg. Brian Gonzalez with Pachuca. And then Luka Modric with Real Madrid. Alright, our next pack will have Hector Moreno with Monterrey. Crowd hero of Takahiro Sakin. Lima with Fluminense. Carlos Sanchez with Pachuca. And Facundo Torres with Palmeiras. Alright, we'll have the next pack. Peter Chalulil. Rodrigo Echeverria with Leon. The Chosen One of Thiago Santana. Artur with Botafogo. And the Chosen One of Benjamin Gramashi with Inter Miami. Our next pack. Victor Guzman with Monterrey. Dusan Vlahovic with Juventus. Stefan De Vrij with Inter Milan. We have the Shusaku Nishikawa Emblem sticker, and then we have Owen Gonzalez with Pachuca. Alright, next pack we have Nicolas de la Cruz, Malo Gusto, the chosen one of Sion Bianco with Ulsan, Florentino, Benfica, and Vardio with Manchester City. Alright, next sticker pack. We have Usama Zemraoui, Casablanca, Alex Tejas with Botafogo, Luis Advincula with Boca Juniors. We have the emblem of Chung Yong Lee with Ulsan, and Michael Olise with Bayern Munich. We'll go ahead with our next sticker pack. We have Manuel with Fluminense. We have the emblem of Emre Can with Borussia Dortmund, Tomas Belmonte, Boca Juniors, Artur Koglu with Benfica, and we have the crowd hero of Matteo Sanabria with Alain. With our next pack, we've got Danilo with Flamengo, Levi Colwill with Chelsea, the crowd hero of Thiago Silva for Fluminense, Frederick Arns with Benfica, and Jonder Cadiz with Leon. We have Mehdi Mubarak with the Casablanca, Mateo Ponte with Botafogo, Marcelo Sarachi with Boca Juniors, and then we have the chosen one of John Arias, and then we have Ruben Diaz with Manchester City. Got our next pack. Takuya Ogiwara, Gonzalo Montiel with River Plate, Joshua Kimmich with Bayern Munich, Adam Mitchell, and we finish with Harry Kane from Bayern Munich. Our next pack. Have the emblem of Luka Modric with Real Madrid. We have Franco Armani with River Plate, Fabio Vieira, Porto, Marcos Llorente with Atletico Madrid, and then we have the chosen one of Rodrigo Rodriguez with Esperance. Next pack, we'll have Cassius Mailula. We have the crowd hero of Kenan Yildiz with Juventus. We'll have Marcos Rocha with Palmeiras, Jorge Rodriguez with Monterrey, and Gregor Kobel with Borussia Dortmund. Then we'll down to our last 5 packs in this pack opening today. If you have a favorite sticker or favorite team that you're cheering on in this tournament, leave it in the comments. We have the club badge for Flamengo. We have Vinicius Jr. with Real Madrid. The chosen one of Dusan Vlahovic with Juventus. Mudau. And we finish this pack with Thomas Müller with Bayern Munich. Alright, next pack. We start with Phil Foden for Manchester City. Sang-woo Khan with Ulsan. Nuno Mendes, Paris Saint-Germain, and we have the emblem of Bremer with Juventus. We finish this pack with Ezequiel Ceballos with Boca Juniors. Next pack, we have crowd hero of Marc Cucurella with Chelsea, Marcos Thuram with Inter, Warren Zaire-Emery with Paris Saint-Germain, Jordi Cortizo with Monterrey, and Rami Bensebaini with Borussia Dortmund. Then we're down to our last 2 packs in this pack opening today. Then we'll start off this with Stefan Medina, Monterrey. We'll have the chosen one of Cole Palmer with Chelsea. We have Pedro with Flamengo, Luis Rodriguez with Pachuca, and Vitinha with Paris Saint-Germain. And then to finish off this pack opening, we'll go ahead with our last pack. And we'll have in this Marcelo Allende, David Ramirez. We have the emblem of Enzo Fernandez with Chelsea, Gregor for Botafogo, and we finish with the crowd hero of Jefferson Savarino with Botafogo. This has been today a 25-pack opening of the Panini FIFA Club World Cup 2025 sticker collection. If you have enjoyed this pack opening or have enjoyed this collection so far, please give a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you and bye.